Hello guys, today video I'm gonna show you the tool I could using to increase view and engagement of any video that I want on TikTok. So here is my tool I could using to manage and using multiple TikTok accounts. The first of all is account management. So in this function you can add and manage a limited TikTok account that you want. And next, to increase the view and engagement of any video that I want, I will go to setting function. And setting is when you will auto like, auto comment and view the video or live stream that you want on TikTok. So first, I will select the category and select the account. After that, I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakdown time between interaction. I will set from 10 to 10 seconds. And next, you can choose the type of setting. You can setting video, setting sound, keyword, live stream, hashtag or UID. I will choose video and I will enter the link of the video on TikTok that I want to go to setting. And next, you can set the number of links each account will interact with. And you can set up the time each account will watch, and you can random like or random comment, and you can enter the comment that you want in here. Okay, so after everything set up, I will start and let the software do the work. Okay, so you can see on screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is a account, and we'll watch the video. Okay, so basically just show you the tool I could using to increase the view and engagement of any video that you want on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need the tool or more information, you can contact me my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation tool.